Hi, I'm Frank Sesno, coming to you from the Planet Forward studios at the George Washington University. This month we're going big on the Solar Decathlon. 20 collegiate teams from all over the world are submitting their ideas, innovations, and designs for the most sustainable solar house. Each school's design takes into account and takes advantage of its unique location. Now, what we're asking you to do is look at these videos and you decide, and help us decide, which is the best design, what innovation makes the most sense, what technology has the best prospect in the marketplace. Here's one.
First Light House is a net zero energy house, which means that it generates as much or more energy than what it needs to run the house throughout a whole year in New Zealand. We have evacuated tube solar hot water collectors. So we have 40 evacuated tubes on the canopy, which heat up enough hot water in order to provide all of the hot water needs for the whole house in New Zealand for a whole year. So we've developed a hydronic drying cupboard. Sort of 70 or 80 degree water is pumped through, and then inside the cupboard is heated towel rails, which also have water running through it. And then air is drawn in at the bottom of the drying cupboard and sucked up and through and out the top of the drying cupboard. We've designed the heating and ventilation system using off-the-shelf products, so it's really easy and accessible for a person to replace filters within the system in order to clean it out.
Think about it. When you're asked to do something in a different way than you normally have done it before, what happens? Well, you might be a little afraid of it, number one. And you certainly want to take the time to figure out what's different, what's new. Well, how do I have to think differently about the way this works? Well, for a contractor using a green material, off the shelf or not, the same thing happens. But in construction, schedule is everything. And if you have to take more time to think about something, well, no one's going to give you more time to build a green building than a typical building. And that's a challenge in the green building industry.
When the teams come to Washington in late September, we'll be following them throughout the competition, just steps from the National Mall, so be sure to check back to see how your favorite team is doing. In the meantime, go to our Solar Decathlon page, vote for your favorite idea, and like your favorite team. Tell us which design you think is most innovative and which will work best and why, and submit your sunny ideas to planetforward.org. Your ideas, online and on television at Planet Forward.